My queen can now take your rook from below.
So that means I lose, right? It's over!
If I make this move, but I won't because we're having too much fun.
Okay, let's take a break.
We're all out of alcohol.
I wasn't going to get alcohol. Gosh, I wonder what Leonard's doing right now. I miss him so much.
Well, if you'd like, we could call him. I mean that you could call him. As I've explained, the absence of my friends does not cause me pain. As rock and roll bad boy Paul Simon once said, I am a rock. I am an island.
I'm calling him.
Oh, goody, put him on speakerphone.
Alcohol. Alcohol. We are out of alcohol.
Okay, let's take a break.
We're all out of alcohol.
I wasn't going to get alcohol.